Okay, I'm going to try to squeeze this in. I couldn't do it the last time, so this is like the third time making this video. Something comes in from the left of the screen. I'm going to do this one first, and then I'm going to go back to the sun. The sun one is, I'm giving you guys that one for a little job to, or a little something to do, figure out. Then comment below if you would what you think it is, or if you've seen it, or if anybody else has ever seen it. But I have to go back in the video. But I first want to show you this. Now, obviously I didn't do something right off the bat like I should have. Okay. Right here you're going to see a chemtrailer coming through. I want you to remember the size of this plane. Now that's your normal, typical chemtrailer. Just to give you a rough idea of the size of the white cloud that comes out. Don't mind the drone. So there you can see the chemtrailer going through. You can see the size of it. Okay, now I'm going to go up. I'm going to rip right by it, I know it. Okay. Now this one, I got to check around and see if there was a flyby. I think this is a flyby. I was looking at it through binoculars, tried finding it in a telescope. I couldn't find it in the telescope. I had an issue with that thing, the 21st there, because that's obviously when the video was. I couldn't get it to work. I don't know what the deal was. But I was looking at this thing through my binoculars, and my binoculars will pull it up pretty good. They're pretty strong. I got 3 different ones. And I'm telling you, this is not a plane, period, because there was no plane in front of this. And it wasn't even, yeah, sure, it jumped right off there. And I wish this camera was better as far as a picture quality. But you see the size difference between that chemtrailer and this thing coming past? I'm telling you, this was not a chemtrailer. I was looking at it because actually pretty soon here you'll see my fat elbow come in the corner of the picture. I didn't realize I had my arm in front of the, or just in partial of it. But I think this is the flyby. I tried taking a video with the phone, but I was used to my Galaxy Note 4, which took really good videos and could zoom in really good and still have a clear video, but that phone was fried last winter, and the one I got now is not nearly a phone to catch anything important. And I mean, there is a trail behind this you can fairly see, but this isn't a chemtrail. That's why I got to find out if somebody else caught a flyby. I'm sure that's what it is. And if it is, I'm off on my time. I'm going to have to go back and redo, I don't know how much stuff, but if this is, and if I find out it was a flyby, then I'm off. More than I should be for as long as I've been doing it. That's too big to be a plane though, for the chemtrailer. I've seen some pretty big ones though. Them bigger chemtrailers that really dump in the air. I've honestly seen them. I've caught them on video too, but this was not that. See, there's my fat elbow. I don't know why I didn't think about it at the time, why I didn't launch the drone. I, I guess I wasn't thinking about that. I was just trying to catch it with the camera and then the scope. And then I don't know what the deal was with my camera. I don't know, honestly, if it was my camera that just all of a sudden starts freaking out right here. But I do know my elbow is hitting the sun, blocking it, so that's what the shadow is here. But in a little bit, you will see this camera just go absolutely retarded. Probably could have used a better word than that, but and I don't. My camera's never done this, and I know there's nothing wrong with it because the whole sky color just changes, as you'll see when I had it more forward there. And I'm not in the camera view anymore, because you can even see the sun color is even different. See, the whole sky changes color. It just starts spazzing out. I don't know what was going on. And then just pretty much nothing after a bit. I don't know. I'm gonna reverse it back to see if you guys can figure out this other thing here. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to go back to the other video. That is not good. So several things. One was a flyby. I'm sure of it. I just got to be able to prove it. The other thing was that I don't know what was going on, but the whole sky changed. I know it wasn't my camera. Something was going on there with the sun too. So that was the second thing, and then this is actually technically the first thing. So 3 different things within 45 minutes, 50 minutes. Now this, I don't know. Hopefully somebody else has seen something like this. I think, what are we, about a week out from May? Yeah, exactly a week out. Today's Sunday. And we got snow on the ground up here. Okay, here you go. You guys can figure out what that is and what is happening. Go ahead and let me know down below if you would. Yeah, I know that it looked like the camera was twitching out and stuff after that flyby there, but there's nothing wrong with my camera. So I'm positive it's not my camera doing this. Something else was going on up there. I think I might get the whole thing in the video too, actually. And then I'll try to zoom in a little bit. always got to interrupt, don't you? And then it goes back to normal. I'll rewind it a little bit here and zoom in. Just enough time, hopefully it'll all fit on the video. Hey, quiet. Okay, and that's probably about all I'm going to be able to fit on the video. So if anybody wants to see it longer, I can make another longer extended one. Thanks.